Hello. In a world where everything is becoming smart, it's time for you to become smarter. Introducing the Embedded AWS Cloud Storage course. This is one of the highly anticipated courses in our cloud storage series. In this course, we use Python script running on host computers as gateway to receive and send sensor data from our firmware to the cloud. Imagine waking up every morning, living in a world where your devices not only work for you, but also work with you. A world where your ideas materialize into IoT applications that have impact on people's lives. Our course will guide you, transforming you from an embedded systems hobbyist to an embedded expert. We want you to grasp AWS, the world's leading cloud platform, and harness the power of your IoT devices to bring about outstanding outcomes. This is more than just a technology course. It's a life-changing journey. You would gain the admirations of your peers as you smoothly navigate and solve complex embedded cloud solutions. This isn't just about learning. It's about becoming the go-to expert when it comes to embedded solutions. Our comprehensive curriculum covers everything you need to know, from UART communication protocol and AWS S3 storage services to SQL and NoSQL databases, and even analyzing real-world case studies. You are not just learning theories, you are preparing for real-world IoT solutions. Are you ready to transform your career and drive it towards unseen levels? Are you ready to take the lead in the IoT revolution? Your first step starts with us. Join us in the Embedded AWS Cloud course and let's build a future together. Enroll today and embrace your journey towards becoming an embedded cloud leader.